Discover Drop Stop, the ultimate car accessory featured on Shark Tank. With 100% gap coverage, this patented seat gap filler ensures no more lost items between your seat and console. Install once and forget about it. Drop Stop moves with your seat, never needing readjustment. Each pack includes 2 drop stops for driver and passenger sides. Its universal fit and durable neoprene casing make it a must-have for any vehicle, blending in seamlessly for a tidy interior. Check out this car cleaning gel, a versatile putty perfect for intricate auto cleaning. Easily remove dust, debris, and pet hair from narrow car spaces with its sticky yet residue-free formula. This high-tech gel, scented with cherry blossom, is reusable until its color darkens. Ideal for various surfaces, including electronics and furniture, this user-friendly cleaner leaves no residue behind. Keep your car, home, and office spotless with this convenient and effective detailing tool. Crucial for fall prevention, the Handybar car door assist handle ensures safety and stability during vehicle entry and exit. This 1-pound grab bar, easy to store and use, fits most cars effortlessly without modifications. Perfect for seniors and those needing mobility aid, its non-slip grip enables independent movement. With an integrated window breaker and seatbelt cutter for emergencies, it's a thoughtful and practical gift choice, offering peace of mind on the road. Transform your car into a versatile workspace with the car steering wheel tray. This tray offers a stable platform for stationary activities like dining or working while parked. Not intended for use while driving, it securely mounts to the steering wheel or the back of a seat, providing a practical solution for drivers and frequent travelers. With a weight capacity of 17 pounds, it accommodates food, books, and beverages. Adjustable knobs enable personalized height and tilt settings, while included steering wheel hooks, rear seat hooks, and a fixed strap ensure stability and convenience. This portable car jump starter with air compressor ensures readiness during vehicle emergencies. Featuring a potent 3,500 amperes cranking current, it swiftly restarts 12 volts vehicles up to 9.0 L gas/8.0 L diesel in extreme conditions. Equipped with a force start function for dead batteries and over 1,000 recharge cycles, it remains operational for 24 months. The cordless inflator delivers a turbocharged 35 liters per minute, 150 psi output, inflating a car tire to 20 psi in just 2 minutes. Safety features include a honeycomb thermal design, extended jumper cables, and 10 intelligent protections. This retractable car charger multi-fast charging protocol certified ensures compatibility with various devices using PD, QC 3.0, AFC, MTK, and FCP protocols. Its retractable 80 cm, 2.6 feet, design offers convenience and tidy storage. Advanced protection safeguards against overcharging and overcurrent. Suitable for different vehicles, this charger guarantees secure connections on rough roads. Benefit from worry-free charging. This car seat gap filler with organizer prevents item loss while driving, securing keys, smartphones, and essentials. Its unique storage box design not only stops items from slipping but also provides extra storage space, maintaining car tidiness. Crafted from durable polyurethane, it's waterproof, scratch-resistant, and easily bendable without wrinkling. Simple to install in various vehicles, it fits snugly between seats and consoles. This set of 2 makes a practical and thoughtful gift for any occasion. This 2-in-1 car seat hooks are versatile additions to most vehicles, providing easy assembly and disassembly. These hooks feature wide openings suitable for various items like bags and hats. With a secure lock designed to prevent item drops and clutter, they ensure a quiet and organized space. Crafted from durable high-density ABS material, each hook can bear up to 33 pounds, guaranteeing a long-lasting and reliable solution for your car organization needs. Enhance your on-the-go dining experience with the car cup holder tray by Soda. This spill-resistant 10-inch tray accommodates meals like burgers and fries, complemented by a convenient phone slot for entertainment. Doubled as a 3 inches to 1 cup holder expander or tray set, its 360 degrees rotating organizer keeps essentials in check. The patented self-locking mechanism guarantees a secure fit in OEM cup consoles, while the premium ABS material ensures durability and scratch protection. Keep your eyewear secure with this magnetic sunglass holder. Designed for most eyeglasses, this clip securely holds sunglasses, cards, tickets, and cash, ensuring a tidy car interior. Featuring a strong magnetic closure for stability, you can say goodbye to unstable clips and glasses slipping off. Easy to install on the sun visor, this accessory, made from quality leather, protects your eyewear and the visor from scratches, making it a stylish and practical addition to any vehicle. This car safety hammer is a crucial addition to your vehicle's safety arsenal, functioning as a 2-in-1 window breaker and seatbelt cutter. This tool enables quick and efficient escapes during emergencies, crafted from high-grade carbon steel for durability and precision. Its bright orange color enhances visibility in critical situations, complemented by an anti-slip handle for easy control. With multiple pack options, this hammer ensures accessibility for drivers and passengers, doubling as a thoughtful gift for loved ones. Revitalize your car space with Qua Solar Power air freshener, functioning without batteries thanks to solar energy. Emitting the soothing ocean perfume, safe for all, this device efficiently eliminates odors and infuses a pleasant aroma. The fashion high-tech design flaunts rotating crystal balls powered by sunlight, resembling a futuristic display. Compact and easy to set up, it fits perfectly on desks or countertops, promising a hassle-free and delightful experience. Charge and secure your phone on the go with the Endern wireless car charger mount. This 2-in-1 device combines a Qi wireless charger and a phone holder, providing fast 10 watts charging, QC 3.0 car charger adapter required. Featuring smart sensors for automatic operation, it opens clamps when your phone approaches and powers off upon full charge, preserving battery life. With case-friendly design, a stable metal hook, and 360-degree rotation, enjoy optimal GPS viewing angles. Revitalize your car's wheels with the wheel cleaning brush kit by a detailing set. This 4-pack includes 2 ultra-soft synthetic woolies brushes for rims, 1 soft brush for lug nut cavities, and 1 stiff brush for tires, ensuring comprehensive cleaning. Crafted for scratch-free use, these brushes are metal-free with soft woolies for safe cleaning on all wheel types. With exceptional cleaning power and flexible 360-degree bendability, they efficiently remove dirt from hard-to-reach areas. Easy maintenance ensures lasting cleanliness. This versatile car power inverter converts 12 volts DC to 110 volts AC, featuring 2 US standard AC outlets and 4 USB ports for charging laptops, phones, and tablets. Compact and efficient, it includes USB-QC, 18 watts, USB-C, 20 watts, and an AC outlet, ideal for travel, camping, and work on the move. With advanced technology ensuring quiet operation and high energy efficiency, coupled with a robust protection system, enjoy reliable power anywhere. Benefit from iSalt's dedicated after-sales service. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.